Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore EV battery aging metrics with EV batteries analysis apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore EV battery aging metrics using analysis apps, start by selecting a compatible app for your electric vehicle. Download and install the app from a trusted source, such as the official App Store. Create an account or log in to access the app's features. Connect the app to your EV using Bluetooth or a wired connection, as recommended by the app's instructions. Once connected, navigate to the battery health section of the app. Check for the initial battery status report, which reveals the current state of health. Pay attention to key metrics such as capacity percentage, charge cycles, and internal resistance. Document these metrics for future reference, as they will help in tracking changes over time. Next, explore the app's features designed to assist in battery maintenance. Look for options that provide guidance on optimizing charging habits. Consider following any recommended charging schedules to improve battery longevity. Regularly monitor the metrics displayed in the app, updating your records as necessary. If the app offers notification settings, enable them to stay informed about battery health updates. Take note of any warnings or advice provided by the app about your battery's performance. Periodically perform deep discharge and full charging cycles, if suggested by the app. This practice can sometimes help recalibrate the battery's aging metrics. After several cycles, revisit the app to reassess the battery metrics. Compare the new data against your previous records to evaluate any improvements. If persistent issues arise, consult the app's support resources for potential solutions. Consider seeking professional help if the battery metrics do not improve over time. By following these steps, you can effectively restore and monitor your EV battery aging metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.